I'm in the studio today with the HISENSE E7K to break down some of the tech which brings your content to life on the screen. You've got the incredible colour, which adds to the overall realism of the picture, as well as clever cinematic technology and smooth motion, which comes in handy if you're gaming or watching live sports. Now, the colours I mentioned are achieved by quantum dot technology. That's what makes it a QLED TV. It makes the things that you watch look more realistic by giving you colours that are really vibrant so that they pop off the screen, but in a way that still looks natural and true to the colours that you see in real life. Now, quantum dots can reproduce over 1 billion shades, so even the tiniest differences in hue can be identified and shown on the screen. To make sure that you get an authentic cinematic experience at home, you've got Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos technologies in here. It's inspired by the tech that's being used in cinemas all around the world. Now, Dolby Vision is their form of HDR, which basically enhances the colour, contrast and brightness of everything that you watch. And then you've got Dolby Atmos, which gives you the immersive audio that moves all around you. If you're watching some fast-paced live sport like the Formula 1 or football, or playing games on here, then you'll notice the action is really fluid and easy to follow. Now, this TV has got smooth motion, which uses an AI processor to pick out any fast-moving objects on the screen and makes the motion look smoother by digitally reconstructing the individual pixels. That way, there's no blur or stuttering. You can see everything moving clearly. And if you'd like more info about the HISENSE E7K, you can visit us in store, head online, or you can even talk to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.